సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Now we are going to discuss construction working of JFET. First of all, what is the JFET? JFET means already we know that JFET means junction field effect transistor. Junction field effect transistor. Already in the previous video we discussed the JFET. Already JFET consists three terminals. That three terminals are source, drain, gate. Okay, source is the emitter, drain is the collector, gate is the base, similar as in BJT. So in the JFET, three terminals, JFET is the three terminal semiconductor device. Three terminal semiconductor device. This is the voltage control device. Mainly JFET in two types. First one is the N channel JFET, P channel JFET. P type channel JFET, N type channel JFET. Mainly thing is the JFET, joint field effect transistor, junction field effect transistor. Field effect transistor is the unipolar transistor. Unipolar means either N type or P type. Either N type or P type. Majority charge carriers are in the JFET. Okay. What is the symbol of the JFET? Symbol of the JFET. This is the symbolic representation of JFET or field effect transistor. JFET junction field effect transistor. This is the source, this is the drain, this is the gate. Okay, this is the N type channel JFET. If the arrow mark is the in this type, this is the N type channel JFET. This is the N type channel JFET. So N type channel means the arrow mark represents P to N. From 2 volts to N. This is the 2 volts to N. From P to N. So this is the P type channel JFET. The arrow mark is the this type. This is the P type channel. This is the P-type channel JFET. This is the P-type channel, this is the N-type channel. Gate, drain, source. This is the N-type channel JFET. This is the N-type, this is the P-type. So the arrow mark from P to N, the arrow mark towards to N, from P to N, from P to N, from P to N. Okay, so this is the N-type channel JFET, this is the P-type channel. Circuit representation. So unipolar junction field effect transistor. This is the unipolar. This is the N-type of semiconductor. The majority charge carriers are only N-type of N-type of only electrons. Here majority charge carriers are only electrons. So this is called as unipolar transistor. So this is the N-type channel. N-type channel. This is the N-type channel. First of all, voltage between the gate and source. This is the source, this is the gate, this is the drain. Voltage between the gate and source is such that reverse biased normally. Reverse bias means this is the P-type of semiconductor. P-type of minority charge carriers. Here only majority charge carriers are only electrons, but transistor this is the N, this is the NPN transistor. There are two majority charge carriers here, NP transistor. There are two charge carrier majority charge carriers. So that is the bijunction transistor. This is the only unipolar transistor. Majority charge carriers are here electrons. These two are P-type of semiconductors. These two are P-type of semiconductors. Already here the depletion layer is produced because this is the P-type of semiconductor. P-type of semiconductor. This is the N-type of semiconductor. So this is the PN junction. 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 So the depletion layer is here. The depletion layer is produced. So that's the way the depletion layer is produced. The depletion layer is produced. Here the voltage between gate and source, the voltage between gate and source in the connected reverse biased means this is the P-type of semiconductor. So this P-type of semiconductor is connected to negative. So this is the positive, this is the negative. So this is the reverse biased. This is the reverse biased. The gate and source, the gate and source, the voltage between the gate and source such that reverse biased normally. So this voltage is called as VGS. Okay, next remaining connection are interchangeable. This is the reverse biased. So here drain is connected to positive terminal of the battery, source is connected to negative terminal of battery. So here gate is in reverse biased, this biased reversed, drain is connected to positive. So here mainly this is the very important, the voltage between gate and source in reverse biased, the positive terminal of battery is connected to negative terminal of the battery, positive terminal of the this gate is connected to negative terminal of the battery. This is the reverse biased. So this reverse biased interchange the drain and source, the voltage drain and source terminals are interchanged to this. So the drain is connected to positive. Okay, this is the n-type channel JFET, n-type channel JFET. First of all, the source, this terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. This is the negative terminal of the battery. This is the negative. This terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Electrons, which are the majority charge carriers in the n type of bar, enter the bar through this terminal. So the charge carriers are traveled along the circuit source to drain, this type, source to drain. So already we know that water, this is the drain, this is the source, this is the gate. Okay, so here source is connected to the negative pole of the battery. Electrons, which are the majority charge carriers in the n type bar, enter the bar through this terminal. So this is the n type of n channel JFET. So the electron charge carriers, majority charge carriers are here electrons. Okay, next of all, next terminal is the drain. This terminal is connected to, so drain is connected to the positive pole of the battery. This is the positive pole of the battery. The majority charge carriers leave the bar through this terminal. So here the electrons are leave. So the source is from source to drain, but here the majority charge carriers leave the drain. The drain leaves the majority charge carriers. Next of all, gate. This is the heavily doped p-type of silicon is diffused on the both sides of the n-type. This is the n-type semiconductor. This is the n-type of silicon semiconductor. In both sides, the p-type of silicon conductors are connected. So here two p-n junctions are produced. P-n junction, this is the p-n junction, this is the p-n junction. So this is the n-type channel, this is the n-type channel. So next, this is also p-type channel, p channel. Okay, this is the p type of channel. So this is the p, this is the n, this is also n. Only the majority charge carriers here holds. Okay, main thing is the voltage between gate and source is connected into reverse biased. So this is the negative, so this negative is connected to reverse. So here this is the positive, Okay, understand? The N type of semiconductor. So this is the negative terminal battery is connected to positive terminal. So this is the reverse. So always the voltage between gate and source is in reversed. The negative is terminal is connected to positive. So this is the P channel. So remaining is the interchange. So the source is connected to positive here, drain is connected to negative. So this is the P channel. This is the P channel. Okay, here the majority charge carriers move from the source to drain when a potential difference, this is the VDS, when the potential difference VDS is applied between the source and drain. This is the VGS, this is the VGS, this is the VDS. Okay, application of voltage, this is the VDS. VDS is denoted by VDD. VDS, the voltage between source and drain. The supply voltage from drain to source will cause the electrons to flow through the channel. The application of voltage VDS, that equals to VDD. The drain supply voltage from drain to source, from drain to source, the voltage supply drain to source will cause the electrons to flow through the channel, but current is travels source to drain, the voltage drain to source. Here these are ohmic resistance, the ohmic resistance of bar from S to drain. S means this is the source to drain, that is the limiting current, S to drain, limiting current. This is the voltage supply drain to source. The voltage VGS, from gate to source, the drain current for a given drain to source voltage. Here two currents, two voltages. First one is the voltage between gate and source, the voltage between source and drain. So here the current travels source to drain, the voltage supply drain to source. Okay, if the PN junction diode here, if the PN junction between gate and source, this is the PN junction, gate and source. Okay, under reverse bias conditions, so this PN junction form reverse bias condition form. So P type of semiconductor is connected to negative terminal of the battery. So here the positive means holes are travels from this the way, electrons. So here depletion layer is the formed. So some holes, some electrons are attraction, so the depletion layer is formed. Here also the depletion layer is formed. Okay, if the reverse current is large, very large, this current is very large, two depletion regions to meet. So this is the, because this is the positive terminal of the semiconductor, negative terminal of the battery are attracted. So here this is the P type of semiconductor. So this is the negative terminal of the battery, this is the P type of semiconductor. these two are attraction, so the depletion layer is formed. The depletion layer is formed. Then here, so the drain current is very large. The drain current is, if the drain current is very large, so this current is heavy, very heavy, so the depletion layer is increases. The depletion layer is increases. So when the voltage is very high, the depletion layers are increased. The depletion layer is increased. Working of the p channel, same as in n channel. So these two are only changed. This is the n type of channel. If this is the p channel, this is the n, this is the n, this is the p. These two are interchanged. Okay, so here three conditions. First one is the VGS equals to 0, VDS equals to 0. VGS equals to 0, VDS equals to 0. So here the voltage between gate and source is not, the voltage between source and drain is not. So these two connections are not. So if no voltage applied between drain and source, so these connections are these are no connections. So if no voltage between source and drain and source, gate and source, there is no, here is not connection, this is not connection, because VGS equals to 0, VDS equals to 0. This is some condition. So the thickness of depletion regions around the PN junction is uniform, because there is no this, the depletion layers are uniform and symmetrically, same as this depletion layer is the same, this depletion layer is same. This is the first condition. Second condition, VGS equals to 0, VDS greater than 0. That means VDS increases from 0 to. This means the VDS increases from 0 to heavy. So this is the VDS is greater than 0. This is the second case. In the case of the in the case of this, so here this connect is not here. This not connecting. So this means this is not. So only this connection. So in this case, the drain is positive with respect to the source. Now the majority charge carriers here electrons, flow through the n channel from source to drain. If VGS is equals to 0. So next, so if VGS equals to 0, the voltage source to drain, the voltage means here the charge carriers flow through the n channel, source to drain, electrons charge carriers. That means power, current is source to drain, the voltage drain to source. So here this condition is the VGS not equals to 0, this is not equals to 0, then the drain is positive with respect to the source. Now the majority charge carriers electrons flow the source to drain. Okay, in this channel, the channel acts as the resistor. Here resistance is the ID, drain current equals to VDS upon R. So here the drain current is equals to VDS VDS upon R in the condition of VGS equals to 0 and VDS is greater than 0. The condition, third condition is the VDS is 0, VGS is less than 0. So there is no connection here. There is no connection here. So only this connection, that's the VGS is less than 0. So here the voltage is less than 0. The voltage is very decreases. Then the depletion layer increase this the way. Increase this the way. So the voltage decreases, the depletion layer is the voltage decreases, the current is decreases, the depletion layer is enlarged, the depletion layer is enlarged, the depletion layer is increases, the depletion. So these two depletion regions are increases and the two depletion regions are meet, then the channel pinched off, the channel pinched off, that means the drain current cuts off, the drain current cuts off. Once again we observe the circuit. This is the n channel JFET. So n channel JFET means this is the n channel. So this is the p type of semiconductor, this is the p type of semiconductor, this is the p type of semiconductor. Totally this is the n channel. Okay, so here, so this is the p type of semiconductor, this is the negative terminal of the battery, negative. So this is the source, this is the drain, this is the source, this is the gate. So the gate positive terminal of the battery. So this is the way. This is the voltage drain, source and drain. So this is also VDD, the voltage across VDS. This is the voltage between drain and source. The current drain is from this the way. That's the way the voltage. The electrons are travels flow source to drain. That's the way. Source to drain. Source to drain. The electron charge carriers are source to drain. The voltage and current, this is the way. This is the voltage between gate and source. This is also VGC. This is the circuit.